Good morning, kabarkada! So, nag-prepare ko para sa amo ang Zumba sa ako ang mga friends. So, first, naghilamos ko pag matana ko. And then, toothbrush para fresh. And syempre, dili mawala ang sapato. So, you need to wear shoes pag mag-zumba. And of course, you need to wear mask. So, kailangan mag-mask ka bago ka lumabas ng bahay para iwas COVID. And yung bahay ng kaibigan ko ay nasa likod lang ng bahay namin. So, pupuntahan natin at gigisingin natin siya. Tara. 5:53 na. So, mag-zumba mi karon. Good morning. So, mag-zumba mi. Kinsang laptop atong gawin. Kaya, good morning. Sinamog ko. Kaya napakanagmatayan. Wag, wapo na ya. Hindot na ya. Isda na lang kulang. Morning project ni Kuya Bush. Pero Uy. Where's the ball? Where's the ball, Cairo? Ball. Where's the ball? 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 Zumba time!
You can do it. Right by the waist. Let's get a little higher. She's in the waist. Pull. Now, jab and cut. Jab, cut. Good. Pull.
Ano ka kayo? Ano?
Good work. Jab, cut. Jab, cut. Thank you. Now,
Really good like those abs. Good. Push the hips forward. Other side, right here. Woo! Again. Last one. March it out. Contract the abs. Go. Hey. Yes. So push those shoulders forward. It's going to help you contract the abs even more. Breathe. You got it. I got my girls with me. They're going to be helping me out with this dance party. Got Dana right here. Hey, girl. And I got Janet on my other side. Here we go. We're here to party with you. Let's do it. Back side. Let's walk it. 2 times. Go. 1, 2. Switch it. You got it. Push it. Come on. Hey. Let's have some fun with it. Bring the arms up. Party time. Go. Hey. push it. Woo! Really contract the abs. That's what it's all about. Now you're also gonna feel it in your legs too, and in those arms. But really focus on contracting. Let's have some fun with it. Single, single, double. Are you ready? Are you ready? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, go. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Yes, just like that. Woo. Come on, take it low. Take it low. Come on, have fun with it. March it out. Now, really.
One eternity later. Tapos na mag-zumba. Whew. Nag-ulan na sa gawas kaya nagsulod na midere. Ako mag-uli ko. Di, may trabaho ko. That's it for today, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Mat, bye.
Nay, kung makita nyo niya, tagay ka 16.
Tita, happy birthday!
Hi Tita, happy birthday! Wishing you all the best and good bless.
Sige. Ano ba sa plato, Tita? Okay, video. Ako ang message.
Short na good, short.
Stay guwapa.
Ay, tritis.
Thank you sa imong mga advice sa kuha o sahay.
Uy, yun siya.
Sa imong usahay pagkananay sa ako. Salamat sa dili lang ka friends sa ako.
Wow.
Ikaw po na kong mama diri sa ato at ang kabodo ni Ate Judy. Ikaw, Ate Judy. Ikaw.
Nanilok.
Dili. Pagila ko, paano, Charlie? Ikanta. Di ba? Girls of Joy, thank you, Juna. Ayaw, seryoso, Bigwa.
Ay, diti, ayaw ko. Dili ikaw nag-birthday.
Dili mo ka pala. Hindi, siguro muragkuhan ba ka ng Tears of Joy. Salamat kay, siyempre, sa amuha, sa atuas, sarabay ang pareha ni Pidat. Niya karon always, kabalo na siya, unsa kong problema, ginaingdan yun ako na siya. So, salamat sa pagpamina. O niya, stay humble. Kabalo ko, may district na ka now. Pero kabalo ko, butan kayo ka. And then, God bless. Happy birthday.
Thank you, te.
Advertise. Namin ka rin, Mike. Kaya gusto na ko i-match. Nakaano. Ato pa sila yung
Nakuha kay happy birthday.
nga, number 1, salamat sa
Salamat kay sa number 1 siya matagana sa mga friend. Sa kay kuan. Kung wala ko kwarta mo.
ako sikreto mo kayo sa
Ini sa pagkaon, always
Mat-mat, eh.
share.
Wow.
Magamay ko dako ay mga unata. Salamat.
Okay, happy birthday.
Joy, kay welcoming kay siya, very open and very cool nga pagkatao ba. Kanang never ko kasi nga mataha or mailang kay Ate Joy. So,
Wow.
Oto, I hope na more listings sa'yo for the good for the and good health. Happy birthday.
Okay. O say, ma-message niya si mong mama. Diha ka.
Happy birthday.
Dili ka lang kuan ba, Osman?
Love you.
Sa... Okay, sige. Kasi,
Message
okay, okay.